Hello, miracle workers! Welcome to another special episode of Unlocking Miracles, Janergy's Guide to Life, Love, and Leadership. And for this episode, this is the second episode for the year 2025. I have invited a friend, a dear friend, who will be able to share to us a miracle story. So let me introduce her to you. Our guest is Marian Clarissa Medina Dipueking, or simply Coach Black is a CEO of the Dreamcatcher International Coaching Company and a certified dream builder, coach, and brave thinking master from the esteemed Brave Thinking Institute. As an ambassador of the World Dream Day, she amplifies the global movement to inspire and celebrate dreams. Coach Kla is also the founder of the Dream Book Project, self-publishing inspiring messages and equipping dream chasers to make their dreams welcome. She is a mental health advocate and a mental health facilitator with Ramus Wellness, with whom she passionately works to inspire hope and empower individuals with mental health challenges and psychosocial disabilities to reclaim their lives and dream again. She holds a Bachelor of Science in Management from Ateneo de Manila University and a certificate in venture into entrepreneurship from the Asian Center for Entrepreneurship in the Asian Institute of Management. Beyond her professional pursuits, she enjoys good ramen. Wow. Coffee with friends, contemporary Christian music, inspirational books, and an epic fantasy series called The Wheel of Time. Through her unwavering commitment, she inspires others to live authentically, rooted in transformative power of love and the endless possibilities that dreams bring into our lives. Friends, help me welcome here at Unlocking Miracles, Coach Kla. Hi, Coach Kla.
Hello. Hello, everyone. Hello, Ate Janice. Thank you for having me here in your show. Yeah.
Yes, I'm so excited for this new year, 'di ba? We're actually inviting global speakers. And I know global
Wow.
speaker na rin to si Coach Kla. Okay,
Yes.
Coach Kla, what are you grateful for today?
Grateful for today. Um, Maliit na bagay lang siya. Sinurprise lang ako ng mami ko ng chocolate ice cream kani-kanina. Yun.
Oh, chocolate bang favorite ice cream mo? Is that your favorite?
Yes. Yes.
Oh,
Yan.
the
So,
the
mga
plain
simple
chocolate,
joys. Ano siya,
plain chocolate or the
actually, the
double
ice cream
Dutch?
was parang chocolate sa loob, merong mga little bits of chocolate and caramel. And then meron pa siyang nakarap, parang nakarap na chocolate pa around it. So, overload ng chocolate.
Wow, chocolate overload.
Ah.
Ay, amazing.
Ah,
Talaga naman.
ah.
Okay, so for those who don't know Coach La and I, we're friends since, ano ba,
Oh my
Youth for
God. Ay,
Christ
naalala
days.
ko pa, 19. Sabihin ko ba? Baka
Since Youth for
magka-booking
Christ
yan.
days. Yeah,
Ah,
I remember, siguro mga, ano na, I, I don't know, high school ba nun?
oo,
High
high
school
school pa
yata ako noon. I
yun.
think high school
Oo.
days. And apparently, we're also neighbors, no? So, our village
Yeah.
is, ano lang, magkatabi lang ang village namin. And then, marami rin kaming napagsamahan. Eventually, nag-Singles for Christ din kami. And then, yan, we also reconnected sa BNI, no? So, she
Yes.
joined
Mm.
BNI, uh,
For a
anong
couple
year
of
nga?
years, no?
Oo, for two
Uh,
years ka rin ba
yes.
nag-join? 2 years,
Yes. 2
no? No.
years.
So, she's really dear to my heart as well because marami rin siya mga na-share sa akin na na mga bagay, especially nung pandemic. I remember she
Yeah.
interviewed me in one of her online shows.
Ah,
And
yeah. Oh.
yeah, I remember that. And then from there, I picked up the idea of actually making a book out of my online interviews, yung Nanay Knows Best.
Mm.
So, I remember that. So,
Wow.
yan. Ano bang pag-uusapan natin ngayon? What are we going to talk about? I'm giving you the floor now, Coach Gla, to share to us. First off,
Mm.
syempre, can you give our viewers a brief
Mm-hmm.
background? What made you decide to go into this profession, becoming a dream
Profession.
coach? Yes.
Yeah. Well, I consider myself, Ate Janice, to be in the business of dreams. Medyo familiar yung phrase, no? Kasi in Youth for Christ, we said that we were in the business of loving people. So ako naman, I consider myself to be in the business of dreams. Kasi, di ba nga, yung when you were reading my profile, I am a certified dream builder coach, CEO of Dreamcatcher, nag-ambassador pa ako for the Philippines for World Dream Day, yung mga ganon. And I started off actually, I got into this path because of a self uh, a self-published dream planner or dream book. Ito nasa tabi ko yung very first edition. Yan. So ito siya. Yan. Ito yung very first dream book. Hindi ko alam kung
Ay,
nakita
journal pala
na,
ang title.
oo, ito yung first edition. Yan. So I don't know if you ever saw that pa. Baka hindi pa, no? I'm not sure. Yan. So I started on that path because I was also attending a seminar as a coachee, as a participant. I graduated from that program and I was so inspired. Kasi pagpasok ko nung seminar, nung program, heartbroken ako. And then paglabas ko, I felt in love with myself. And not, some people are not able to say that for real, na in love sila sa sarili nila, that they truly love themselves. Pero ganun yung impact niya sa akin. And also, parang, alam mo naman minsan pag bigo, di ba? Minsan people, especially sometimes the girls, we question our self-worth. Yan. So I was questioning my self-worth, and then I ended up feeling like I could do anything, take on anything. Yun. Ganun yung impact niya sa akin. Sabi ko, sobrang beautiful nito, sobrang important nito, that I felt that everyone on planet Earth literally should pursue their dreams. So that's why I started the journal so that they can pursue their dreams on an everyday basis. Yun. And then um years later, it got into National Bookstore. When it started out, 'di ba, parang happy-happy, inspired, and then merong second phase siya na parang nag-ano kami, through the fire, like the song, no? Nag-through the fire yung dream ko. Um, I became diagnosed with a debilitating illness. So much so that I was questioning what was real and what was not. Parang ang lalim ng hugot, no? Pero literally, I was questioning what was real and what was not. And at some points, I felt like the entire world was literally trying to stop me from doing what I want. But still, I knew what I wanted. And that was to pursue this business of dreams. That's how important it was to me. Kahit napigilan ako ng buong mundo, yun ang gusto kong gawin. Yun, kaya through the fire talaga. Yun yung second phase. And yung third phase, yung ngayon. Why I'm doing this. You were asking why I got into this, why I'm doing this now. So right now, I'm doing this because of the impact that I know I'm making on people. When I receive testimonials, actually yung simple thank you from a client na heartfelt, nakakataba ng puso. Nakakataba
So,
ng
yeah,
puso.
I could totally relate to that
Mm,
because, di ba, yung, it's really self-fulfilling talaga yung sarap sa
mm,
pakiramdam that you're
mm.
able to help somebody fulfill
Yeah,
their
you know that.
dreams,
Mm,
achieve their dreams, di ba?
mm.
No? So, naging bahagi ka ng kwento nila, ng
It's
buhay
an
nila.
honor. It's an honor to have been let by these people to participate in their life story. Alam mo yun? Kasi, syempre,
Ayan.
they make their own dreams happen. We are just coaches to facilitate the learning, things, ganyan. Maybe to make it easier, lighter, ganyan, faster. Pero they make their own dreams happen. Pero to be able to participate in that, it's an honor, 'di ba? So when I receive the heartfelt thank you from someone, parang feeling ko, oh, I'm doing the right thing. This is really what it is that I would love to do for myself, even maybe even for a lifetime. Yeah.
So that really is your calling.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So, ano ba ikukwento mo sa amin, Coach Lau? What are some of the favorite miracle stories that you want to share with us? Go ahead.
Favorite miracle stories. Well, yung number one, actually, medyo nakwento ko na. Kasi parang, di ba yun nga, stumbling onto this business of dreams. Actually, when I was younger, when when I graduated school with honors, I didn't know what to do. So much so that when I entered college, I took a very, very general course. Alam mo yun? Parang, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. I would parrot what other people would say, which is, I want to be happy and successful. General to do. I haven't tapped the capacity to dream for myself. Yun. So, um, but I found this dream in the business of dreams. Yun. So, finding this ikigai, yan. If you and your audience might probably be familiar with the term na ikigai. Um, it's the intersection between what you love, what you're good at, what the world needs, and what you could live off of, what you could make money off, yan, what you could profit from. So, yung intersection between your passion, your mission, your profession, and your vocation. Yun. So that's somebody's ikigai. And I found mine here in this business of dreams. I don't I think sadly, I think some people are not able to nga find their ikigai in this lifetime up until now. Pero I found mine and I'm very, very grateful. I'm able to live every day with purpose. So that's one.
So
Ilan
before
ba?
you go to the next one, Coach
Ah,
Bla, is it okay to ask,
mm.
was there a person who really helped you find that ikigai or ikaw na lang naka-discover for yourself?
I think it was a series of may saying a series of unfortunate events, 'di ba? Sa akin, it was a series of fortunate events. Kasi I could probably even say thank yous to somebody who played a small role. Somebody who got me into planners way back. Yun. Kasi I wouldn't have done the dream book if not for this person who
So
um
you, when you were younger, you were really into planners.
yeah,
Yun
oh,
ang
madami
talagang
talaga akong
parang
planner. Mahilig talaga ako
mahilig ka talaga
mag-planner for
magplano.
myself. Mm.
And then eventually, you met people along the way that helped
Mm.
you conceptualize that dream
Yeah.
book.
Yung dream book actually parang yung concept came from somewhere inside. Yun, ayun. Parang inspired by the program, pero yung putting it together, what text, what pictures, what structure, flow to put in there came from somewhere inside.
So mga collaboration na siya. It was a collaboration
Naging
effort.
collaboration din siya eventually. Mm. Yeah. And actually parang siguro yung person who brought me to that life-changing coaching program which I mentioned earlier, siguro siya. I need to thank him. Yeah. Yeah.
Yan. So kung hindi
Yeah.
ka comfortable to share kung sino siya,
Baka
baka it's
magulat siya eh.
yeah, it's
Comfortable
time
ako, baka siya
to
yung hindi
just
maging comfortable.
send a message. Yeah, send a message to that person of thanks.
Yeah.
So to those who are listening to us right now, baka may mga tao din na kumbaga naka-impact sa buhay ninyo that probably you're not anymore connected to them. Do hit a message to them. Send a message, give them a call, probably they're just waiting for your call to just show your appreciation of how you are right now and how they have helped you become a better version of yourself. Ayan. So what's your
Yeah,
second
that is
story, Coach Black?
beautiful. Oh, the second story. May hugot to, Ate Janice, pero hindi natin masyadong lalaliman yung hugot. Ano lang natin, i-edit natin ng konti. Ayun. So, I mentioned earlier that I was diagnosed with an illness. It was very debilitating, ah. So much so that um when I was doing Dream Book project, ito na may iba na akong props. Ayan. So ito na yung first edition. Ay, hindi pala first, no? Pero pang ilan na rin. One of the editions na lumabas sa National Bookstore. Um, when I was doing that sometime 2013, um, by 2010 I was diagnosed. So noong 2013, medyo peak pa nung illness. So, that I remember marami siyang no, naging symptoms, pero I remember being afraid to get out of the car. I would drive to a supplier, to a store, isang branch ganyan. Kasi I would do merchandising myself. I would do everything myself, from start to finish ng project. I would be afraid to get out of the car. Kasi natatakot nga ako dun um, mararamdaman ko yun. So, or maiisip ko because of the illness, of the mental health challenge. Tapos I would wear earphones, yun. I would wear earphones, even in outside, no? Para to drown out because the diagnosis was schizophrenia, paranoid schizophrenia. So to drown out the what I thought was mocking laughter, I would wear earphones outside. Pero I would still go out. Imaginein mo, ilan ba yun? 40? At one point na branches na National Bookstore, iniikutan ko. And I would do that, being afraid to get out of the car and wearing earphones. But I did it anyway. I did not stop. Takang-taka sa akin yung doktor kung paano ko nagagawa yun. Pero siguro, that it just illustrates the power really of a dream. The power of a dream. And more than that, we're talking about miracles, no? The power of God to use a dream to keep you moving, to keep you alive. Di ba?
Yeah,
Di
I do
ba?
agree with that. I also encountered one of the devotions that was I read recently from Brother Bo Sanchez na if you're encountering any challenges in life right now, instead of focusing on your problem, might as well focus on your dreams. Kasi that will
Mm,
change the way you think, the way you feel. Kasi nga, if you focus on problems, challenges, it will stop you from moving. Kasi nga, di ba,
yes.
there's fear, there's worry, there's
Mm,
anxiety. But if you focus on dreams, somehow that will like fuel you to move
mm,
forward. So what really helped you? Sabi mo nga, 40 branches na visit mo, no? So
mm.
aside from the earphones, may
Yeah.
pinapakinggan ka ba nun or something?
Oo,
O
meron naman,
earphones lang
meron.
talaga?
Meron maingay, na
So
maingay,
ano
malakas.
siya? Music
Mga
na
music,
malakas.
inspirational music, syempre. Yung mga
Okay.
feel-good music.
So feel good music. Apart from that, were you reading something or
Yeah, I
what
was
helped you?
reading inspiring books. I was also listening actually to sermons. To
Hmm.
sermons, yan. And since ano siya, no, mental health challenge, nandun din yung professional help, syempre. Yung doctors ko, yung medication, and of course, yung support ng loved ones.
Yeah,
Yun.
very important yan.
Yeah. May
They,
friend,
the acceptance and the love of
and the
loved
support.
ones with, and support
Yeah.
is really
Yeah.
important.
So,
Yeah.
ano din, as much as may healing power yung dreams, may healing power din talaga yung love. Then, iba talaga
Yes.
yung, naramdaman ko talaga yung, care ng friends and family. Mm.
So really, environment plays a big part in being
Yes.
able to overcome any challenges. So if you really surround yourself with people who are positive, who are loving, caring, so you'll be able to overcome whatever it is that you're going through right now. So kaya yung iba na hindi ganun ka-fortunate sila sa environment, they choose to go somewhere else and find people who will really be there for them. Kasi nga, mahirap daanan. I was not able to go through the same thing, but I know that mahirap daanan ng isang bagay ng mag-isa, 'di ba?
True.
Oh, so it really is important that you're able to find that kind of support. Ayan. How about your third story for us, Coach Cla? What's it?
The third story. Um, Doon naman tayo sa medyo masaya.
Okay.
Makilig. Ah, finding finding my husband is a miracle for me. Kasi although meron akong checklist in my head of an ideal person para for me, 'di ba? Parang ganun. Hindi ko never I don't think I ever wrote it down, no, pero I never did. Pero parang meron ako parang syempre na may mga qualities ako na hinahanap. Parang he surpassed all those. He was all those and much more. And much more. Alam mo 'yon? Parang to this day he still surprises me, ah. Tatlong taon na kaming kasal pero he still surprises me with his kindness, with his love. Nasa-surprise niya pa rin ako in a pleasant way. Ganun siya ka-amazing. Kilala mo naman siya, di ba? Ah,
And okay lang bang
eh,
i-share kung paano kayo nagkakilala?
baka magbigay ng contextual hope, contextual hope, dun sa mga sa mga ibang naghahanap ng romantic
Um,
love. Oo. Yan. Actually, nag-meet kami through an app, a dating app. Huwag natin banggitin kasi hindi naman ako
wag
ambassador
na.
ng dating
Wag
app.
na natin pasikatin yung dating app.
Yan. Pero it was through a dating app. Siguro, sinuwerte
Was
lang
it the
talaga
first
din
time
kami.
you
Blessed
used
na
that?
talaga kami.
Was it the first time you used a dating app?
Yeah,
O
I
nagagamit ka
remember,
na rin
pala,
before?
may isa akong friend na nambuyo eh. Pinownload pa nga niya yata yung app. Isa pa yung nai-think ko din, no?
Oh, there was a friend pala.
Kilala mo
Okay.
din yun.
Okay.
Dinownload niya talaga. Yun. Siya matagal na siya daw nag-iintay, naghahanap, yun. Hindi niya ako
So,
nakikita
ginamit niya
eh.
rin yung dating app. Ginamit niya
Ginamit
rin
niya
yung
din.
dating app.
Oo,
Okay. O, di
yeah.
ba? So, for those who are listening to us na single pa, at
Mm.
naghahanap kayo ng, di ba, di ba? Wala namang masama. At for
Ah,
as long as you know kung sino talaga yung gusto nyo, di ba?
yeah,
Importante yun. And then you have your boundaries din, 'di ba? Make sure
yeah.
din na you set your own boundaries and you know how to also determine red flags. Importante 'yan,
Correct,
'di ba?
correct.
Kasi
Oo.
syempre you really have to look after yourself as well, especially for those women listening to us right now. Importante 'yan. Nakakakilig naman talaga 'yan, no? Kasi 'di ba, for the longest time, ilang years ka nag-antay na single ka
Oo nga,
bago
no?
mo siya
Dati
nakilala?
pala, matagal pala ako naging part ng NBSB club, no? Oo.
Oo, so matagal-tagal din.
Mm.
No? More than a decade? Di naman.
Yeah, oo.
Mga ganon.
Well, but he wasn't my first boyfriend.
Mm-mm.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Pero, di ba, the fact that you waited really for that time really shows
Yeah.
also na yung ano mo rin. I mean, siguro, call it manifestation, call it the power of prayer,
Mm.
intention. Uh, Importante talaga na malinaw din sa'yo na gusto mo rin to be in that,
Yeah,
in that situation, di ba?
yeah.
Kasi, yeah, I've talked to some single people. Decided sila na single na sila talaga. No? May mga ganon.
Mm.
Meron din naman na hindi pa rin sure, still hoping pa
Mm.
rin. And there are those naman na talagang nagugulat na lang sila. Nasusurprise na lang sila, bigla na lang. Di ba? So, may mga ganon din. And for those na alam din yung love story ko, di ba? It also came as a surprise, no? Because my aunt, siya yung naging miracle bridge namin ng asawa ko. And we're actually going to celebrate. Siguro by the time you're going to watch this podcast, we have already
Oh,
celebrated our
wow.
10 years anniversary.
Congratulations.
Yes.
Wow.
Oo, 10 years na. My husband would joke about it na 10 years na siya naghihirap sa akin.
Mm, mm.
And ako naman, 10 years na akong, uh, ano lang, how should I call it? Para nagbubuhay, prinsesa.
It's funny.
Oo. I mean, really, when you go into marriage, it's unpredictable. Sabi mo nga, you still are surprised kahit na 3 years na kayo. There are ups and downs, and really, it is a test of commitment to stay longer in marriage, no? So, for those who are watching us right now, what are you picking up so far in our conversation? Napaka-inspiring ng mga share sa atin ni Coach Kla. Yan, please share it with us in the comment section. We'd love to hear from you as well. And yeah, I think this is the time wherein you'll be sharing to us, Coach Kla. What is it that you have special for us? I think you have an upcoming event. Yeah, go ahead, please share
Yes,
it.
it's an online event on January 18. So in the morning, Saturday morning, 10 a.m. to 11:30, I'm going to hold a vision workshop for this January. Yun. So it's a Dreamcatcher Vision workshop. It will help you jumpstart or kickstart your 2025. Yun. Start it with a bang, kumbaga nga. Yeah, help you clarify your dreams, your goals for 2025. If there are maybe any limiting beliefs that are getting in the way, how to transform them into more empowering beliefs. Yan. And actually, Ate Janice, other than the January 18 Vision Workshop, I can also invite them to a one-on-one discovery session. So I'm opening a few slots for that, and I'll share, we'll probably put it in the comments or something, no, sa text and caption. Yun, so they can click on the link and book a discovery session. If that's something that they would love, no, na parang something one-on-one naman. Pwede yun.
It's also online. Online
It's
din
also
siya.
online. Yes. Yes.
Okay. So anywhere you are in the world, in the Philippines, so while us kasi we live in Metro Manila, you may be in Cebu, in Davao, no, it's good way na online yung coaching session that Coach La is mentioning, and even
Yeah.
the vision workshop, so that you get to join us, no? Join the vision workshop even if you are far away. And I really highly recommend that kasi I've attended it several times na, and really it gives you clarity as to the dreams that, kasi marami tayong dreams pero 'di ba yung bang ano ba yung priority, ano ba yung importante talaga, ano ba yung may impact sa talaga na gusto mo talagang i-manifest, and as well as yun nga yung sinabi mo, any limiting beliefs or something that hinders you from achieving it is really important, kasi once na naging aware ka doon, that
Mm,
will make you manifest your dream faster. So
yes.
yan. So thank you. And any social media accounts that you want to share with us?
Yung Dreamcatcher International, meron siyang Facebook page. Um, ano siya, dream catching ink. Like the verb na dream catching, tapos ink. Yun yung ano niya. Pero let's just put it in the text, in the caption para pwede nila.
Sige, sige.
Dreamcatcher
All the
International.
social media links that you want to share, please, we will put it in the link as well so that those who like to connect with you, yan, feel free to connect to Coach Kla na para she can help and guide you on your journey to achieving your dreams and your goals in life. Yan. I'm super excited na kasi 'di ba, talagang well, while most people talaga ito yung season talaga na nagpaplano. Diba? Pero
Mm,
supposedly dapat nagplano na kayo ng end quarter pa lang ng
mm,
2024. Pero 'di ba yung iba, it's better late than never.
mm,
Importante nga na magplano tayo because sabi nga yung kasabihan na if you do not plan, baka magplano kayo mag-fail sa buhay, no? So might as well plan to succeed na tayo. And
mm.
I'm encouraging you to just seek for support, no? So I always tell this in my content that you can never do it alone. Nobody in life succeeds alone. It
And
is
we are
through the
not
help.
meant to as
And we're
human
not meant,
beings, di ba?
yes, we are interconnected to each other, 'di ba? Sabi nga sa Bible nga ginawa si Adan at si Eva ng dalawa, 'di ba? So we are
Mm.
meant to support one another. So it's also important na to share those dreams. But of course, pick the right people to share your dreams as well kasi baka
Mm.
yung masharean mo ma-discourage ka to pursue your dreams. So, katulad ni Coach Kla, pag sineran mo siya ng dream mo, I'm sure, ipupush ka niyan na,
Ito,
aside from diba? Aside from makita niya ko talaga yung dream mo, baka naman dream yun ng ibang tao para sa'yo, di ba?
yeah.
Mabalidate ka, di ba? So,
Can I
importante
speak
din
to
yun.
that into two parts?
Sige, go ahead.
First, you mentioned na parang if they share to me, ipupush ko sa kanila. Actually, one of the best compliments that I received from a friend was, she called me a believer. A believer.
Believer.
Yeah. So, parang, yeah, talagang, parang, I really believe in the power of the human spirit, no, to overcome circumstances or challenges. Minsan kasi nakikita natin yung nasa paligid eh. Pero na hindi natin nakikita yung what's within.
Hmm.
Yun. Yun. And the second part is, nakalimutan ko. Teka lang. Ah, ano nga ba yun?
Ano bang iniisip mo?
Yung lighting up.
Okay.
Um, ah, ano din, I think it's also a skill. Minsan, to be able to see it when people light up. Minsan, see it. Minsan, kahit naririnig ko lang over the phone, na-identify ko na, ay, ito talaga yung dream niya. Minsan kasi magkikwento, pero alam ko na, parang worthy goal siya, pero it's not really her dream or his
Tama,
dream.
tama.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
So, I'm able to help the
So,
person find that
madedetermine mo
clarity
talaga.
talaga.
Sa
Oo.
dami ba naman ng kinoach na ni Coach Kla pagdating sa ano, syempre alam niya na yan. Masisense niya na kagad kung yung
May
dream mo
spider
ba na
sense na ako
sinishare.
doon.
'Di ba? Meron ka ng
Oo.
sixth sense.
Ah.
Sixth sense sa mga dreams, 'di ba?
Ah.
And I just wanna wish you all the best for this year. Whatever plans or more projects and clients that you wanna help this year, sana umapaw sila, dumami sila, na kaya mong i-handle. Siyempre, di ba, sabi nga nila, be careful what you wish for kasi baka mag-wish
Okay
naman
lang
tayo ng,
yan. Marami tayong fellow coaches na pwedeng huminga ng support. Let's come help
oo,
people.
yeah. Yeah. So yung mga hindi na kaya i-handle ni Coach Club, pwede rin sa akin.
Pwede, pwede.
Ayan. So thank you, thank you. Of course, kapag kaya mga dreams na yan, na-form yun kailangan niya rin akong kausapin. Kasi, syempre, tayo naman yung dun sa financial aspect. Kailangan naman pagplanuhan din natin yung pagdating sa financial goals, di ba? Kasi every dream has a specific monetary, ano yan eh. Di ba? So, it is also important that you plan for it. So that's it for our episode. Very nice conversation that we had. I hope you will found value in this. If you found value in our conversation, please do share this to your friends and family. Kahit isang tao lang, mabless natin with this conversation. And I'm also, yun nga, extending the invitation that you join the workshop of Coach Club para mabless kayo and invite then your friends and your colleagues para mabless din sila, no? Um, really at this time ako kasi my word for the year is delight. So I really find joy in simple things and simple gestures. So I'm encouraging as well that you do the same because life here on earth is just but temporary. And bakit ba tayo, 'di ba, magpapakahirap at magbubusangot or magiging sad about life when life is so much beautiful and it has so much to offer to us. It's just a matter of perspective. So my encouragement to all of you is to always look at the brighter side of life and to always continue to unlock more miracles in your lives and be a blessing to more people. Cheers and see you in the next episode. Bye.
Bye.